Hello children, this is Miss Gitanjali from DePaul School, Berhampur. This video is for standard 5th students and the subject is Social Studies, chapter number 13, and the topic is natural disasters. This is the part 2 video of chapter number 13. Children, as we have discussed in our previous video about the earthquakes, its effects and what are the precautions we will take during the earthquake. Today we will discuss about two more natural disasters, that is cyclones and floods. First of all, let's learn about cyclones. Children, as we all know that very recently one of the natural disaster which badly affected the northern part of Odisha and some part of the West Bengal. Did you got it? If you are thinking about Amphan, then you are right, children. This type of natural disaster is called cyclone. I will give you some more examples of cyclones. Phylline, Titli, Hudhud, super cyclone, these are the examples of cyclone. Children, these cyclones have some similar characters. Let's learn some more detail about cyclone. First of all, I will show you the picture of cyclone. Here you see the picture of cyclone. Cyclones are violent sea storms caused due to high-speed rotation of winds in a circular motion. These winds blow strongly towards the eye, it means center of the storm, and are accompanied by heavy rainfall. They mostly occur in the coastal regions. Coastal areas of India are often hit by cyclones. For example, in 1990, in a cyclone in Andhra Pradesh, the winds traveled at a speed of 250 km per hour. What are the effects of cyclones? Cyclones cause a huge damage to the roof of the huts, besides damaging buildings, power poles, trees, hoardings, signboards, etc. Children, hoarding means a large board in a public place used to display the advertisements. Cyclones are often accompanied by torrential rains which cause flood. Accompanied means go along with or go with. Torrential means with great rapidity and violence. Cyclones also result in casualties. Casualties means people killed in accidents. That is called casualties. If people are not careful, cyclones also result in casualties if people are not careful. Fishermen trapped in sea in cyclones generally lost their lives. These are the effects of cyclones. Now we will see what are the precautions we will take during the cyclones. Children, keep yourself updated with the weather forecast. Listen to the radio and watch television for weather forecast and warnings. Avoid going near the sea. Store enough food and drinking water to meet any kind of crisis. Move to a safer place as soon as you get the warning. Keep telephone numbers of emergency services, friends and relatives at hand. Okay, so these are the precautions when we will take during the cyclones. We will take the precautions. Now we will discuss about the another natural disaster, that is floods. First you see the picture here, flood. Okay, this is the picture of flood. Children, when a large amount of water overflows on dry land, it is called flood. Floods are caused due to the following reasons. Some regions are given here. You see one by one. Floods occur when there is very heavy rainfall. Floods occur when dams burst or rivers overflow due to excess rainfall or sudden melting of snow. Sometimes in hilly areas, landslides and avalanches block a river and cause floods. Landslides means what? A landslide happens when rocks debris and soil move down a slope. This is landslides. Avalanches what? Avalanches means an avalanche is a mass of snow that slides rapidly down an inclined slope such as a mountainside or the roof of a building. Another point is our region is our floods occur when cyclones, typhoons and tsunamis affect the coastal areas. Okay, what is typhoon? Typhoon, a tropical storm in the region of the Indian or Western Pacific Ocean. Okay, tsunami. Tsunami means a long high sea wave caused by an earthquake or other disturbance. Okay, so these are the regions. These are the regions of flood. Okay, floods are very common in India during monsoon when there is heavy rainfall. Rivers overflow causing floods in the nearby areas. Now we will see what are the effects of floods. The seaways lines overflow making the conditions of unhygienic. The seaways lines overflow making the conditions unhygienic. Seaways means human waste. Okay. And unhygienic means what? That is unclean or dirty. Okay. Floods cause a number of dreadful diseases like cholera, dengue and malaria. Snakes and other infectious insects bite the people. Okay, so these are the what? Effects of floods. Now, we will say what are the precautions we will take during the floods. Keep yourself updated with the weather forecast on the radio and television. Spray disinfectants so that diseases do not harm you. Okay, disinfectant. Okay, what is the meaning here? A chemical liquid that destroys the bacteria. Stock your house with food and drinking water during the flood. Keep a radio, candle, matchbox or lighter and a torch handy. All these things will keep with us. Move to the upper floors of your building. Okay, during the floods. As far as possible, do not step into the flood water. Okay. Last but not the least, do not panic.